Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Snapchat support code SS06. So guys, let's get started without wasting your precious time. So basically guys, if you have entered your password and your password is incorrect, maybe that's why it's not working. Okay guys, so your device has been banned, or your device has been temporarily banned, or another stuff guys, then what you have to do guys, just simply have to close this page. So guys, if you want to fix this issue, then it's very easy for you. Just simply have to open the setting first and make sure that you're not connected with any of the VPN, and also make sure that you're connected with the internet. Then tap on general, scroll it down, and you can see here guys iPhone storage. Scroll it down and you can find here guys Snapchat. Just simply have to offload the app and then reinstall the app and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, then close this page. Now open the settings again. From here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on general, scroll it down all the way. Just simply have to power off your device at least for 2 or 3 minutes and then turn it on again, and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you have to do guys, just simply have to tap and hold the Snapchat app, and just simply have to delete or remove the app from your device and then reinstall the app again from App Store, Play Store, and then try to sign in your account again. And after that guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if the problem is there guys, then what you have to do guys, just simply have to open the setting, then tap on general. From here guys, locate for the date and time. Maybe your device has been banned for 1 week or 90 days or 24 hours. Okay guys, so first you have to go to date and time, and just simply have to set your time about for 24 hours and then try to sign in your account again. Or if it's not working for you guys, then you have to set your date and time about 1 week and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, then you can also set your date and time about 90 days. So guys, by doing that, maybe another thing like Facebook or another apps will not work for you, but you can fix your issue. You can easily sign in your account. After signing in your account guys, you can also set your time correctly, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. If it's not working for you guys, then close this page and just simply have to change your device. So that's pretty much for today's video. If that is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.